All right, so welcome back. We're going to be looking at part 4 where we're comparing rational numbers. Rational numbers are basically fractions. So for numbers 10 and 11, we're asked to use the less than or greater than symbol to compare each pair of fractions. So here's number 10, right? We have 8 over 9 and 7 over 8. Is 8 over 9 greater than or less than 7 over 8? And how do we figure this out? Well, the best way to approach these fractions is by finding a common denominator. So if we look at 8 over 9, what we can do is multiply the bottom and the top of this fraction by the number in the denominator of the other fraction. So in this case, look, we have that 7 over 8. 8 is in the denominator, so we'll multiply the bottom and the top of this fraction by 8. So 8 times 8 is 64, and 9 times 8 is 72, okay? Then, for this fraction, let's erase the red that's all over the 8, right? We're going to multiply the top and the bottom by the number in the denominator of the other fraction. So just like what we did before, instead we're going to multiply the bottom and the top by 9. So 8 times 9 and 7 times 9, okay? So 7 times 9 is 63, and 8 times 9 is 72. So let's take a look. 64 over 72, is that greater than or less than 63 over 72? Well, they both have the same denominator, right? They both have a 72, but this one is one larger than the other one. So for sure, that 64 over 72 is greater than 63 over 72. Number 11, we have 3 over 4, and 5 over 6. Is 3 over 4 greater than or less than 5 over 6? So let's just find a common denominator. So I'll multiply this bottom by 6 and the top by 6, right? So I'm multiplying by the number in the denominator of the other fraction, okay? So 3 times 6 is 18, and 4 times 6 is 24, all right? Now, we'll multiply the bottom and the top by that 4. So 4, 4. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 is 24. So 18 over 24 is the main character. Is that greater than or less than the other fraction? Well, here's 18. Here's 20. They both have the same denominator. They both have a 24, okay? So 18 over 24 is indeed less than 20 over 24.